500 subscribers. We did it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because of you all, we were able to purchase our gift donation through Heifer International, which was a flock of chickens. And much to my surprise, pleasant surprise, when I went on the website, it said spring match, which meant they were actually matching our donation. So this means we were able to help change the lives of not just one family, but 2 families in need. Each one of these donations provides a family with a flock of starter chicks, 10 to 50 chicks. And not only do they get the chicks, but they actually get the training and everything they need to go along with it and help to make this a lifelong opportunity. These chicks provide eggs and protein, but because a good hen can lay up to 200 eggs per year, the families are able to take those extra eggs and make a profit from that. So our donation provides nutrition as well as income. And because they do a thing called passing of the gift, it also ensures that generations to come will benefit from our donation as well. With that being said, I am super excited to announce our next goal of 1,000 subscribers, which we hope to hit by September, because my husband and I will be in the area of Heifer International, located in Arkansas, and we would love to be able to stop in person, make that gift donation on behalf of all of you, and show you guys what they do there and what they're all about. So upon reaching 1,000 subscribers, we are going to be gifting honeybees. And I know honeybees it just sounds like something small. It doesn't sound like a whole lot, right? But sometimes the smallest donation really can make the biggest impact. Did you know a healthy beehive can actually double the fruit and vegetable yield of a small farm? And also with this donation, we will be increasing the global population of honeybees, which in turn is really good for our environment. So in addition to being really good for the environment and also the crops, it also can boost a family's income through the sale of wax, pollen, and honey. So I am super excited about the honeybees, and let me just tell you what we're doing here on this channel is the more subscribers we get, hopefully in time we'll be able to monetize our channel and see a little bit of ad revenue. So the more subscribers, the bigger donations we'll be able to make. And so anything you can do to help, whether it's like, comment, share, we truly appreciate it. And again, I thank you from the bottom of my heart.